Since we're talking about investing in capabilities in Bengaluru, what is it going to mean in terms of headcount addition over the next 5 years as part of this 8,000 crore rupee plan that you've laid out, Peter? And also, just to pick up on the point about artificial intelligence, and generative AI is got all CEOs excited today, but what does it mean from your product portfolio perspective? And more importantly, what does it also mean from a perspective of remote healthcare, providing services remotely to consumers? What's the experience been like in India through the use of your products, and what do you see that leading to over the next few years?
Yeah, I think so to your question on, growth of folks, as we expand, obviously, manufacturing, that's going to have one of the largest increases in adding people and jobs within India. From an R&D standpoint, we'll be continuing to add. This will be probably one of our faster growth areas within any of our sites around the world, and also just the mix of the folks that we have. We have over 800 software kind of folks, developers today. I think roughly close to 2,000 overall employees here in the Bangalore area, and so that will continue to grow on both of those aspects. But to your point on Gen AI, we are deep into it today. I mean, just to give you an example, around the world, in different approved bodies, whether they be FDA or other types of government agencies around the world that approve healthcare products, we're a leader of any company. We've got over 60-some products that are used today that actually help predict, manage, or work through different types of disease states. But the interesting part about it is, I just give you an example in our monitoring business, is the ability for a monitoring system that may be attached to a patient, that if they're not in the critical care area managed by a nurse, that actually an AI algorithm can actually predict with high confidence when that patient may have an issue, so that you can actually dispatch a nurse to them, or maybe a remote worker to oversee them. And in the near future, to be able to drive more remote care, someone being taken care at their home. I'd mention again the use of ultrasound, CT, MR, all of our products, how they make an image and how they work, the setup, has all been greatly transformed by AI. In many cases, you can run a CT scanner as simple as about 4 clicks today. And we actually have a visualization system that helps set the patient up on the table that used to be a very scientific, multi-step process. The AI actually does that for you. Down the road, what's even more exciting is this ability to take multi-modal data, so all that imaging data, genomics data, pathology data, and actually have Gen AI be able to look at that set of data and help a clinician say what you may want to consider this patient as either step A or step B next.
Yeah.
And that's not that far off. That's in the next 7 to 10 years. But that's really what we're going for, is to be a leader in multimodal integration with AI to help drive diagnosis.